It's Greg. If you've ever wanted to walk through a tune confidently, knowing that your notes will work and instead of second guessing which notes to use, then my theory workshop number 3 on walking bass is for you. In this 2-part live workshop with sessions on the 14th and 21st of January, we're going to break down walking bass into simple concepts so you can take these away and use them in your gigs, rehearsals or jam nights.
Close your eyes and I'll kiss you. Tomorrow I'll miss you. Remember I'll always be true. And then while
in these sessions, you'll learn how walking bass lines from iconic bassists such as Paul McCartney are constructed and how they work with the chord progressions. Across the 2 sessions, you'll also learn how to construct walking bass lines like this. How you can use these walking bass lines to outline the harmony and the chords. You'll learn how to use specific chord tones that sound great every time, and also how to link them up with approach notes and chromatic notes. In the sessions, you'll discover how to turn chord symbols into great sounding bass lines, how to use passing notes without getting lost, and how to make your quarter note fill drive the whole band. You don't need to be a theory wizard and you don't need to have any experience with walking bass to sign up. If you know your way around the neck but you want to sound more authentic, then you're in the right place. The full workshop is $70 for both live 1-hour sessions plus focus homework and practical examples that you can drop straight into your own playing. You'll also get access to the GBS Theory Workshop community area so you can connect with other bass players and upload any of your recordings for feedback, but this is optional. Bassists who have taken the previous GBS Theory Workshop so far have said things like, "Thank you, Greg, for putting together your theory workshop. Beginning bassists should find it a perfect foundation upon which they can build." By the end of Theory Workshop 2, I had the confidence to create my own riffs and fills using the pentatonic and blues scales, a rewarding personal achievement. If you want walking bass to feel natural under your fingers, then click the link or button below or the link in my bio and come and join the GBS Theory Workshop number 3 on walking bass. I'll have you confidently creating walking bass lines in no time at all. So I'll see you in the workshop.
it's alright.